Subject Physical Education for class 12th, Unit 8, Biomechanics and Sports. In this unit, we will carry on the topic Types of Movements Part 3. In that part, we will carry on the various types of the movement of the body. Now, we will take a point circumduction. Circumduction refers to the conical movement of the body part, such as a ball and socket joint or the eyes. A circular movement of a part, this is a combination of adduction and flexion, abduction, sustension, etc. Circumduction can be best performed at ball and socket joints such as the hip and shoulder joint, but may also be performed by other parts of the body such as finger, hands, feet and head, etc. This is the figure through that we are trying to understand the circumduction. It is the human body. These are the arms, and the arms has rotate in a circular way. This one, these arms are rotated as a circular ways. These are called the circumduction movement of the body. Next one has come the elevation. Elevation refers to movement in a superior direction. For example, shrugging is an example of the elevation of the scapula. It means this is the human structure and these are the shoulders, and when we have to just try to upward the shoulders, these we are trying to upward the shoulder, that is the position of the elevation. And next one will come the depression position. Depression refers to the movement in an inferior direction, the opposite of elevation. It means this is the figure through which we have to try to understand the depression position. This is the human body and these are the shoulders, and the shoulders has just try to downward and the shoulders will come in as usual position of the normal position of the body. That is called the depression position or depression movement. So depression movement is just like a opposite movement of the elevation. So through that we are trying to understand the various positions of the circumductions, elevations and the depression also in body movements or type of body movements. Thank you.